All right, it's only December 8th, and our free trial on Google App Engine already expired. Now, it didn't actually expire. I just got locked out of Google App Engine because I had 1 month left. It was going to go all the way to the end of December, and my free trial has expired prematurely because I didn't give them credit card information when my old credit card became invalid. So, fucking hell. It looks like Terraform is not the solution. So if you go to www.tinyurl.com/terraform-011, you can get to this gallery. Now this gallery is for this video number 10 for Terraform, but I started numbering this at 0, I started numbering this at 1, so everything's off. So maybe that was just a bad omen from the start. But I don't think there's any in-house hosting solution for server space for Terraform. Terraform kind of seems like a car without an engine. You have to provide your own engine. Terraform seems like an organization tool, like a decoupling tool, right? It's an abstraction layer that creates a kind of like an adapter layer between all your cloud resources so that you can decouple things. That's what it seems like. Now, maybe I'm wrong, but I've been doing a lot of looking around, and I cannot for the life of me find like a simple, minimal Node.js project that's hosted on Terraform architecture. Also, the presence of this thing called serverspace.io, which brands itself as server space specifically for Terraform, that tells me that, yeah, there's probably no in-house server provider. And this solution costs money, and therefore Terraform is not the solution I want, because to deploy something using Terraform, it's going to cost us money. So we're going to try to go to render.com. We're going to try render.com next, because it doesn't look like Terraform is our solution. So I'm sorry. But we've been locked out of our servers. Our servers can no longer deploy. So, oh boy. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game. And here's a little demo of the engine right now. And I need to get out of here before we run out of time. So like and subscribe.